study about list manipulation. First of all, we discuss about how to list is created. A list is created by placing all the item element inside a square bracket separated by commas. It can have any numbers of items and they may be different types: integer, float, string, etc. Example 1, list 1, 2, 3. Hashtag list with same data type. Second one is list 1 hello 3.4. Hashtag list with mixed data type. Then access item from a list. It can be accessed in several ways. Use the index operator to access an item in a list. Index starts from 0, so a list having 5 elements will have index from 0 to 4. Example, list PROBE. Print list 2, hashtag positive indexing. Print list -2, hashtag negative indexing. Then the output will be O and B. Then slice list, accessing a range of items in a list by using the slicing operator using column. Slicing can be the best visualized by considering the index to be between the element. Example, list PROBE. Print list 0 and 4, hashtag positive. Print list -2 and -1, hashtag negative. Then the output will be PROB and B. Then we will discuss about list method. First one is append. Add an element to the end of the list. Second one is count. Returns the count of numbers of item passed as an argument. Third one, extend. Add all element of a list to the another list. Fourth one, index. Return the index of the first match item. Fifth one is insert. Insert an item at a defined index. Sixth one is pop. Remove and return an element at the given index. Seventh one is copy. Return a shallow copy of the list. Eighth one is remove. Remove an item from the list. Ninth one is reverse. Reverse the order of an item in the list. 10th and the last is sort. Sort the item in a list is ascending order. Then append method. The append method adds single items to the existing list. The append method only modifies the original list. It does not return any value. The append method takes the single items and adds it to the end of the list. The item can be the number, string, another list, dictionary, etc. Syntax list.append item. There are the program of append method. Example 1 shows the adding element to the list, and second example show the adding list to the list. Then count method. Count method counts how many times an element has occurred in a list and return it. The count method takes a single argument, element whose count is to be found. The count method returns the numbers of occurrence of an element in a list. Syntax list.count element. Then there are the example programs of count method. There is a two example. First one is how to count the occurrence of an element in the list, and second one is count the occurrence of tuples and list inside. Then extend method. The extend method extend the list by adding all elements of the list to the end. Extend method takes a single argument and add it to the end. This method also adds elements of the other native data types like tuples and set to the list. Syntax list1.extend list2. Then list extend list tuple type. There is a two important notes are: first one, the element of list 2 are added to the end of the list 1, and second one is the element of the tuples and add to the end of the list 1. There are the program of extend method. Examples showing using the extend method. And there is a second example of extend method. Add an element of a tuples and set to the list. There one is index method. Index method search and find give element in the list and return its position. However, if the same element is present more than once, index method returns its smallest first position. Index in Python start from 0, not 1. The index method returns the index of the element in the list. The index method takes a single argument element that is to be searched. Syntax list.indexElement. They are the program of index method. Example 1. Find the position of an element present in the list and not present in the list. And the second example is find the index of tuples in list inside a list. And there are the insert method. The insert method inserts the element to the list at a given index. The insert function takes two parameters, index position where the element needs to be inserted. Second one is element. This is the element to be inserted in the list. The insert method only inserted the element to the list. It does not return any value. Syntax list.insert index and element. They are the program of insert method. First one is inserting element to the list. Then second example showing the inserting a tuple as an element to the list. Then one is pop method. The pop method takes a single argument and removes the element present at the index from the list. If the index passed to the pop method is not in the range, it threw index error. Pop index out to the range expectation. The parameter passed to the pop method is optional. If no parameter is passed, the default index -1 is passed as an argument. Also, the pop method removes and returns the element at a given index and updates the list. Syntax list.popIndex. They are the program of pop method. Example 1 showing the pop element at the given index from the list. And the second example shows that pop when the index is not passed. Then is copy method. The copy method returns a shallow copy of the list. A list is B copied is equals to operator. Old list is equals to 1, 2, 3. New list O is equals to old list. The problem with copying the list is this way is that if you modify the new list, the old list is also modified. Syntax new list is equals to old list. Copy methods programs are example 1 showing the copying a list. Shallow copy. We need the original list unchanged when the new list is modified. You can use copy method. This is shallow copy. The copy method does not take any parameter. The copy functions return a list. It does not modify the original list. Syntax new list is equals to copy list. There the program of copy list is example shallow copy of a list using slicing. Then one is remove method. The remove method searches for the given element in the list and remove the first matching element. The remove method takes a single element as an argument and remove it from the list. If the element argument passed to the remove method does not exist, value error expectation is thrown. Syntax list.remove element. The program of remove method remove the example 1 showing the remove element from the list. And then there is reverse method. The reverse method reverses the element of a given list. The reverse function does not return any value. It only reverses the element and update the list. Syntax list.reverse. There are the program of reverse method reverse a list using slicing operator. An example 2 showing reverse a list. And then one is sort method. The sort method sorts the element of a given list. The sort method sorts the element of a given list. It specifies order ascending or descending. Syntax list.sort. Reverse method program first one showing sort a given list in ascending order and second one showing the sort the list. Thank you for watching my video.